The last day of this year seems to have a wish come through for Mi A1 fans. Xiaomi has promised to deliver Android Oreo update to Mi A1 before the end of 2017. Keeping up its promise, the company has started rolling out the Android 8.0 Oreo update to the device. The Mi A1 was launched in India back in September in partnership with Google, running stock Android 7.1 Nougat, as it's being an Android One device. It's one of the stunning budget devices with a perfect combination of decent hardware and pure software. Read our full hands-on review of this beautiful device. Earlier this month, the company started public beta testing Android O with a selected few users in the Mi community. So, after intense testing, a stable Android O update is currently being rolled out for all Mi A1 device today. Android 8.0 Oreo over-the-air OTA update for Mi A1 being rolled out in a progressive manner. Meaning, at first only a few phones will be lucky to receive the update. In the coming days or week, you will also get the Android O OTA update for your device. How to update Mi A1 to Android 8.0 Oreo OTA update. Note that your Mi A1 device needs to be first upgraded to 7.12.19 Android N before you can upgrade to 7.12.29 Android Oreo. Go to Settings and in the About the Phone section tap on System Updates. Update weighs around 1107.4 megabytes. Once the download is finished, reboot your phone to update. Make sure your phone has over 40% charge. Manual update. We are still waiting for official OTA download link. We'll update the post once we have the necessary files. Android 8.0 Oreo update for Mi A1 also includes the latest December 2017 security updates. It also brings an array of Android O features like picture-in-picture, PIP, web view enhancements, adaptive icons, app drawer improvements, background execution limits and more. You can read our earlier article on Android 8.0 Oreo to know more about its core features. The last day of this year seems to have a wish come through for me.